transport. Large cargo body for equipment and material transportation. Reliable side and rear protection. The crane is secure lie mounted behind the cab. Durable HOWO cab design for heavy-duty operations. Compact XM folding boom crane. Transport and lifting. Functions combined in one truck. Heavy-duty tires and reinforced. Reliable working performance. Spacious cab with comfortable driver and passenger seats. Practical dashboard and easy-to-use controls. Comfortable driving position. For long-distance operation, contact us for specifications, price and shipping.